How to level up in Supreme Duelist Stickman. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the search bar. Now type Supreme Duelist. Now once you are done, simply tap on search icon at the bottom right. Now tap on Supreme Duelist Stickman and make sure to update to the latest version. Now once you are done, simply tap and wait for the game to load. Now tap on claim. Now tap on the cross icon. Now select one player and tap on go. Now control your player. Now defeat the enemy. Now once you defeat the enemy, you will level up easily. If you want to go back, tap on the pause icon. Now tap on the home icon. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.